Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best Cash App customer service response time. So let's really dive into it. Looking for the fastest way to reach Cash App support? Here's the quick breakdown. Cash App in-app chat is usually the best option, with most users seeing a response within 1 to 3 business days, though it can vary based on how busy support is. Email replies often takes around 24 to 48 hours, but complex issues like dispute or locked account can take longer. And if you've ever seen Reddit thread, you already know some cases take several days or more, especially when identifying or identity verification or appealings are involved. Overall, Cash App support isn't instant, but sticking to the in-app chat and providing clear details usually gets you the fastest turnaround. If you want smoother support, avoid multiple tickets and keep your account information ready before reaching out. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a ready-use message template for contacting Cash App support. And that's it.